This is Inha Technical College, and you can check the environment and beautiful weather here. Is 30th May 2022. You can see it's really nice. So if anyone is interested for technical education through Korean Government Scholarship KGSP program, should submit application in September or until the mid of October for the Inha Technical College, and I hope you can get the scholarship. And this is just one or two buildings, right? There is one other building, there is another building, and here it is playground, and behind these buildings you can find 4 or 5 more buildings and the dormitory and library there as well. So environment is really nice, weather is beautiful. You will not feel any sign of summer until is mid of June. So you can see still they are wearing some jackets or something. It's just next to the Inha University. That glass building, blue building you can see is the Inha University, and here it is the Inha Technical College. So they are actually connected through many small roads. There is no boundary in between these two, and I will show you the other side as well. So you can check this, really nice. It's cloudy, and breeze or the wind is really cool and nice. Here is another building. So there are maybe 4 to 5 technical departments in this college. That is the dormitory behind this building, and you can see this building as well is part of Inha Technical College. There is another building, building 4 there, you can see. So if you are interested, I can provide you more details about this, the application process and how to submit this application, what is required, and many more information related to the scholarship for technical education in September. So keep watching my YouTube channel, subscribe, like, and share the videos with your friends or maybe your siblings and juniors, so that if you are not interested, maybe the other people can get the information they are searching for. So bye bye, see you.